Hey everybody, we're just about to start prepping the ribs. The first thing you should do is take the membrane off the back. And Miss Gracie Jo is here. She smells everything. Gracie, get her tail. Here she is. Hello. We're excited to try a new product today. Heath Ryle's Barbecue and Grill It. If you have never seen him before, watch him on YouTube. Makes a lot of good meals. First step that we usually do is we'll put mustard on both sides of the ribs before you put on the seasoning.
Why would we do that?
So it will stick.
It's a binder.
It's a binder.
You don't have to.
No. By putting mustard on your ribs, it does not affect the taste. Some people do use butter. Glen is seasoning the ribs right now with the competition barbecue rub and the garlic butter rub. So what's up next is the turkey legs, and Glen has it in a brine, which he marinated overnight. Glen, tell us what's in the brine.
Vegetable broth,
Yes.
pepper, salt, curing salt, thyme, rosemary.
Okay. So once they do come out of the brine, you do have to wash them off and then dry them before you put them on the rack for the smoker. The reason why you do wash off whatever you put in to get brined for 24 hours is it might make it too salty. So you do have to wash it off and then dry them. Okay, Glen is putting the baby back ribs and the turkey parts into the smoker. For the turkey parts, he does have a probe on it for the temperature, and about an hour it takes for the smoker to preheat. We are going to be using applewood for the smoke, and in the water pan they'll also add liquid smoke. So here's a sneak peek after 3 hours. There's the turkey pots and the ribs. After 3 hours it is time to take out the ribs to wrap them, because they have got all the smoke that they need and to keep all the moisture in. So here are the ribs after 3 hours. Glen just temped the turkey parts and they're up to 160. They should be 170. He is spraying the ribs to get a little bit more moisture in. What's in your spray?
Vinegar.
Apple cider vinegar. Give it a little more taste. We wrap it up and then put it in. Okay. Oh, look at all the smoke. So Glen's going to be putting in back the ribs. It'll probably be an hour or two more. And the turkey pots have another 10 plus degrees to go. And there's the boss, Gracie Jo. Gracie, are you having a good day, my lady? Grace? Hi. Hi. Aww. So after 5 hours, we're finally ready for the ribs to come out and to get slathered on with sauce. And the turkey pots are still in the smoker there. So Glen is putting on some homemade sauce, and the turkey pots have 2 more degrees to go and then they'll be ready. This will get back into the smoker again and will stay for another hour and then they'll be ready. Now to turn them and do the other side. And we are all set Here's everything plated up. The baby back ribs with the homemade barbecue sauce and the turkey pieces. Glen has a sweet potato, and we have some vegetable risotto. So now for Glen's plate. We'd like to say thank you for watching with us, and we'll see you next time. Have a good night, everybody.